selfies. We love them. But no matter how hard you try, they just don't quite come out right. And who can live without the GPS in the car? You can never reach it when that important turn comes around. Trying to prop up your phone for hands-free driving is almost impossible. Until now, meet Nano Hold. Nano suction for your mobile device, smartphones, and tablets. Nano Hold looks simple, but with nano suction technology, Nano Hold material has millions of microscopic suction cups. Nano Hold sticks without being sticky, so you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces. Taking group photos with your phone can be as easy as a simple stick by using Nano Hold with your phone. Now everyone can get in the picture. In the car, Nano Hold makes any phone hands-free. Feels safe to chat with friends. Just stick and go wherever the road may lead you. Getting ready on the go is always a challenge. But with the nano suction technology, Nano Hold gives you an extra hand when you need it. Make it easy to give your recipe a look while you're trying to cook. Work on your car hands-free while still being able to see. Have easy access and never lose your phone in the piles on your desk again. Nano Hold adds a new dimension to your smart devices. With revolutionary nano suction technology, you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces, leaving you hands-free. The ultra-slim profile of Nano Holds doesn't change the size of your phone, so it will still fit in your pocket or the side pockets of your purse. Nano Hold, the nano suction for your mobile device that will make the people in your life smile. Nano Hold, simple and easy to use for your smartphone and tablet. Get your Nano Hold today.
What if it was simple to use a regular pen and paper notebook while saving everything in the cloud, perfectly organized the way you want? And what if after you saved your notes in the cloud and filled your paper notebook, you could just erase it with the push of a button and use it again? That's not magic, that's the Rocketbook Wave Notebook. With the Wave Notebook and the Rocketbook app, you instantly blast your notes into the cloud using your mobile device. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Wave Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or simply to your email inbox. Let's see how Jake has his set up. He marks the diamond symbol and the Rocketbook app sends the notes to his customer meetings notes in Evernote. When he's brainstorming, he marks the star symbol, which he decided are for the notes that belong in his ideas folder in Google Docs. Now that your notes are in the cloud, when your notebook is filled, there's no need to go buy another book or let used notebooks clutter your life. Here's how you can reuse your Wave Notebook multiple times with the mere push of a button. Take your notes using FriXion Pilot pens, available at leading retailers. FriXion Pilot ink turns clear under heat, and the Wave Notebook is specially designed to be microwave safe. That means you can clear your entire Wave Notebook in your microwave in the same amount of time it takes to make a cup of tea. When our specially designed thermal logo on the cover turns from blue to white, your Wave Notebook has been cleared and is ready to be reused. And with your notes in the cloud, an empty notebook has endless possibilities. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
Introducing the all-new Kindle Paperwhite, the best device for reading, period. Kindle Paperwhite takes the most advanced e-reader in the world and makes it better in every way. Sharper contrast for whiter whites and blacker blacks. A brighter display and next-generation built-in light for perfect reading any time of the day or night. A 25% faster processor for smooth, fast page turns and book opens. And the latest touchscreen technology for the most accurate, most responsive touch controls. All with the same great 8-week battery life and ultralight 7.3-ounce design. Kindle Paperwhite also comes with exclusive new features like page flip, so you can skim through pages and chapters in your book without losing your